The evolution of YouTube, cash from ads to hustle. Let's dive into how YouTube has transformed over the years. Remember the early days of YouTube? It was a simpler time. Back when it was all about going viral, everyone was just trying to get their 15 minutes of fame. Monetization was simple. Slap some ads on your videos and hope for the best. It was a straightforward approach. Times have changed, my friends. The landscape of YouTube is almost unrecognizable now. YouTube has become a content behemoth. It's a massive platform with endless possibilities. Millions of creators are fighting for views. The competition is fierce and standing out is harder than ever. The old model of relying solely on ad revenue is fading fast. Ad revenue is unpredictable and can no longer be the sole income source. It fluctuates based on algorithms and viewer habits. One day you're up, the next you're down. Creators need to diversify their income streams. It's about being smart and strategic. This means exploring every opportunity to monetize their content. From merchandise to affiliate marketing, the options are vast. This isn't a bad thing, it's a wake-up call. Adaptation is key in this ever-evolving digital landscape. Creators now have more ways than ever to get paid for their passion. The opportunities are endless if you know where to look. This means building a real business around your content. Think long-term. Invest in yourself and your craft. Your success depends on it. The hustle is real, but so are the rewards. The digital landscape is changing faster than ever. Every day, new trends emerge and platforms evolve to keep up with the demands of users. New platforms are popping up all the time, each vying for a piece of the attention pie. TikTok exploded onto the scene with short-form videos, captivating millions with its addictive bite-sized content. Twitch dominates the live streaming world, offering a platform for gamers and creators to connect with their audiences in real time. These platforms aren't just competitors, they're changing the game, pushing each other to innovate and improve. They force YouTube to adapt, leading to the creation of new features and formats. YouTube Shorts is a direct response to TikTok, aiming to capture the same audience with similar short-form content. Live streaming features are becoming more robust, offering creators new ways to engage with their followers. This competition is good for creators. It drives platforms to offer better tools and opportunities for growth. It pushes platforms to offer better tools and opportunities. But here's the thing, you need to be strategic. Don't spread yourself too thin. Trying to be everywhere at once can lead to burnout and diluted content. It's tempting to be everywhere at once, but it's more effective to focus your efforts. Focus on the platforms where your audience hangs out. Engage deeply and build a loyal following there. Dominate those platforms before expanding. This way, you can ensure sustainable growth and meaningful engagement. The real power shift is happening in the relationship between creators and their audience. Forget faceless viewers. Build a community around your content. Engage with your fans. Respond to comments. Go live and interact in real time. This is where subscriptions come in. Offer exclusive content for your most loyal fans. Think behind-the-scenes footage, members-only live streams, or early access to new videos. This direct connection is invaluable. Subscriptions provide a recurring revenue stream that's more stable than ads. More importantly, they foster a deeper connection with your audience. This translates to more engagement, loyalty, and ultimately more success. Section 4, Beyond Ads, Shorts, Sponsors and the Web3 Frontier. In this section, we will explore the evolving landscape of digital content creation and monetization. Let's talk about the future. The digital world is changing rapidly and it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. YouTube Shorts is just the tip of the iceberg. Short-form video is exploding in popularity, capturing the attention of millions. It's a whole new ballgame with its own monetization strategies. Then there's sponsored content, which has become a significant revenue stream for many creators. Partner with brands that align with your values. Authenticity is key here. Your audience values genuine connections and can easily spot inauthentic endorsements. Your audience can spot a fake from a mile away. Building trust with your viewers is essential for long-term success. And don't sleep on Web3 and NFTs. These technologies are opening up new possibilities for content creators. This is still early, but the potential is huge. Imagine a world where digital assets can be owned, traded, and monetized in ways we never thought possible. Imagine owning a piece of your favorite creator's work. NFTs make this a reality, offering fans a new way to connect with creators or accessing exclusive content through NFTs. This could include special videos, behind-the-scenes footage, or even virtual meet and greets. This is the future of content ownership. Embrace these changes and stay ahead in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Section 5. The hustle is real. Adapting to the ever-changing game. Here's the truth. The only constant in the creator economy is change. Algorithms will shift, platforms will evolve, new technologies will emerge. The key to survival, adaptability, stay ahead of the curve, experiment with new features, don't be afraid to fail, embrace the hustle, focus on building a strong community, create high-quality content that provides value, be consistent, be patient, and never ever stop learning. The future of YouTube monetization is bright, but it belongs to the creators who are